In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp as a student or teacher. Whether you're preparing for a new school year or looking to streamline your teaching, ClickUp can help organize your tasks and assignments in a user-friendly way. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, head on over to ClickUp.com. Once you arrive at the sign-in page, go ahead and choose the option to continue with Google. This is going to streamline the process significantly. Select your Google account that you want to use to log in. If it prompts you for any permissions, just confirm and you'll be all set. Now that you're in, it's time to create your foundation by setting up a new space. A space is essentially a central area where all your projects and tasks will live. Give your space a clear and practical title. For students, you might want to use something like Fall Semester or Graduate Studies. For teachers, a course name or the department you're teaching in could work perfectly. Once you've typed in your title, click on Create a Space to finalize that step. Now, open up the space you just created to start building out your system. This is where the fun begins. Inside your new space, look for the plus icon. This is where you'll add content. Instead of starting completely from scratch, let's make the most of ClickUp's features by selecting a template. This will save you a lot of time and provide a structure that's already tailored for educational use. In the search bar for templates, type in Student, and from the options that appear, choose the Student Education template. Click on Use Template. At this point, you'll be asked to name your template. Choose a label that makes sense to you, especially if you're planning to reuse this setup for multiple classes or semesters. After you've named it, click Use Template again to confirm and move on. As the template loads, let me tell you what it's assembling for you. You'll see organized lists for curriculum and courses, as well as views that help track your progress. This includes a visual board that categorizes tasks based on their status, which is incredibly helpful in determining what's planned, what's in progress, and what's completed. You won't have to build everything manually, so this is a real time saver. Once the import is complete, a suggestion is to open the Getting Started guide. This built-in walkthrough is a fantastic resource that explains how the template is structured and how you can maximize its features. I really recommend giving it a quick scan before jumping into editing your setup. Now move over to Student Education to take a look at the overall layout and see how it groups your academic responsibilities. Click on Curriculum. This section is crucial as it's where the big picture planning happens. It's excellent for mapping out terms, units, or modules. Open the 2022 first semester to view a ready-made example, which you can then edit to fit your specific needs. Next, you'll want to click on Courses to view the complete list of classes for that term. If you switch the view to Board, you can visualize the tasks according to their status, making it easy to track what needs your attention, what's currently in progress, and what you've already accomplished. Once you've organized the first semester, feel free to open 2022 second semester. You can mirror the same structure for your next term, making the additional semester setup simple and efficient. Click on Courses again to manage that new set of classes. And there you have it. By following these steps and using this template, you can set up ClickUp in a way that lets you focus on what really matters, teaching or studying, rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. With everything organized, you can easily manage multiple classes or semesters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.